fucking ducking, hide behind couches. Don't even fucking try to come stop us. We're a gang of savage monsters. Every fucking time they go mock us, and every fucking night they enhance us. We're coming together, nothing can be better. No matter the weather, we're coming to get ya.
Is this the final scene in our tragic play? Only curtains remain to fall. There's no reason left to stay in this place. We move backwards against the wall. Conversations over, communications dead. The monologue is taking over. I'm still broken. I took you in with arms wide open. My color fades to gray. There's nothing left to say. Now it's all dead. Are these the final cries of our aching souls? How come yours don't make a sound? With broken wings we're falling faster as we go, and somehow we don't touch the ground. No, no, you had me torn to pieces.